Moving charges, Nana. Yesterday I discussed 8 marks 2 questions now. Long answer 1, long answer 5. Force between two parallel conductors explained yesterday. Torque acting on the rectangular coil yesterday I explained. MCG also explained. Okay? Look here. Moving charges now. According to this concept, moving charges. Look here. Moving charges and magnetism, Nana. Today I discuss very briefly. Look here. Long answer question 3, Nana. Ammeter. Very important. 8 marks. Very easy, Nana. Look here. Nana, what is the use of this instrument? Ammeter is a device. It device to measure the current. Ammeter, it is a device. This device can be used to measure the current. To measure the current. Next, Nana, here. Generally, galvanometer also used in the measuring current. But galvanometer means this is the coil, Nana, rectangular coil suspended by using a Faso branch wire. This is placed between uniform magnetic field. Here high currents passing. This coil have high deflected. The wire is more twist and finally this wire is break. Simply galvanometer is damaged. Once again I repeat, galvanometer consists of a rectangular coil. This is placed in uniform magnetic field. Here high currents passing. This coil is turned automatically. The wire also more twist. Because of more twisting, the wire breaks. Because of more twisting, the wire breaks. The wire breaks. Finally, galvanometer is a damage. So, to protect the galvanometer, when high currents passing, here a small resistance is connected parallel to the galvanometer. Once again I repeat, galvanometer is a very sensitive instrument. Here high currents passing, it is damaged. So to protect the galvanometer, a very low resistance. Once again I repeat, to protect the galvanometer, a very low resistance connected, parallel to the galvanometer. This total arrangement is called as ammeter. Okay, na? What is the use of galvanometer? To measure the current. But high currents passing through the galvanometer, what happens to the galvanometer? Damage. So, to protect the galvanometer, low resistance connected parallel to the galvanometer. So this low resistance denoted by S. This low resistance is called shunt. What is the use of shunt, Jaisha? It is a very low resistance connected parallel to the galvanometer to protect the galvanometer. For example, here current passing is I. In this point, current divide IS. Current passing through the shunt is IS. current passing through the galvanometer is IC. This is very low resistance, so high currents passing through the shunt. This is the high resistance, low currents passing through the galvanometer. That means this is the low resistance, low opposition, maximum current passing through the shunt, very low current passing through the galvanometer, so galvanometer cannot be damaged. Okay, Nana? This is the theory. Now, look here. Total current, how much sent, Nana? Jaisha? Total current is I. In this point, it will be split. It will be split. IZ plus IS. Equation number 1. Completed. Total current split IZ plus IS. Next step. Here galvanometer shunt ఎలా ఉన్నాయి parallel. In parallel combination, in parallel combination, which will be constant in the electricity? Shiva, in parallel combination, electricity, which will be constant? Voltage. Simply, voltage on the galvanometer equal to voltage on the shunt. Voltage on the galvanometer equal to voltage on the shunt. This is the parallel combination. Ohm's law, V equal to IR. Simply left side, look here, V equal to IR. IZ into galvanometer resistance is G. Right side. Voltage on the shunt. Ohm's law, V equal to IR. Current passing through the shunt is IS. Shunt resistance is S. Ohm's law, V equal to IR. Equation number 2. Here, look here, Nana. IZ can be determined. Capital G equal to, look here, Nana. What is the IS equation 1? IS write as I minus IZ. అర్థమైందా ఈ స్టెప్ జైష? IS write as I minus IZ into S. Okay? Left side, Nana. Look here. IZ into G equal to right side, Nana. I into S minus IZ into S. Okay, Nana? Look here. In the situation, IZ only one side, Nana. Look here. Last step. Look here. IZ into G plus IS into S minus other side plus here right side I into S. According to this situation, sorry Nana, wrong rasa, minus other side plus IZ into S. Left side common term is IZ. G plus S. Right side I into S. What is the formula for current passing through the galvanometer is numerator other side denominator I into S by G plus S. Look here. Here what is the IZ? What is the IZ? Current passing through the galvanometer. I total current. S shunt to G resistance of the galvanometer. Write down R. Hold. Here according to equation 1, what is the IZ? IZ write as I minus IS. Look here now. IZ write as I minus IS into G. right side is into s. Here inside, tell me the next step. I into g minus is into g, right side is into s minus other side plus. Okay, minus other side plus. Here I into g, right side the common term is is into, tell me Nana, g plus s. What is the is value here? Is value is I into g by g plus s. This is the equation number 4. This is the equation number 4. Okay. In the equation 3, what is there? Iz. What is the formula? I into s by g plus s. This is the formula for current passing through the galvanometer. This is the formula for current passing through the shunt. Okay. What is the effective resistance of the ammeter? Total resistance in the ammeter. Here one resistance is G, other resistance is S. Both are parallel. In the parallel, RP formula is R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. Here one is G, other one is S. One is G, other one is S. What is the effective resistance of the ammeter? G S by G plus S. G S by G plus S. This is the effective resistance of the ammeter. Here these two are connected in parallel. Effective resistance is minimum. That's why ideal ammeter is taken. Its effective resistance is 0. Simply any situation, ideal ammeter taken, effective resistance is 0. Effective resistance is 0. Nana, this is an electronic circuit. Nana, look here. Here in the circuit current measure. Here in the circuit current measure, ammeter connected in series to the external circuit, because ideal ammeter taken, its effective resistance is 0, because both are connected in parallel. Parallel means resistance is minimum. Here ammeter always connected in series to the external circuit to measure the current. Because ammeter resistance is 0, so in this circuit does not alter the resistance. Does not alter the resistance. This is the concept of ammeter. Please look at and please revise. Next concept, next long answer question is volt. Look here, Nana. It is a instrument, Nana. This device can be used to measure the voltage. To measure the voltage. What is the use of voltmeter, Nana? Voltmeter is a device. It's a device to measure the. It's a device to measure the voltage. Okay, Nana? It is a device, Nana, to measure the voltage. Here, this is the galvanometer. Galvanometer resistance denoted by G. In the situation, a very high resistance connected series to the galvanometer. This total arrangement is called as voltmeter. Once again repeat, voltmeter construction. Here a high resistance is connected series to the galvanometer. This total arrangement is called voltmeter. Okay, Nana? A high resistance connected series to the galvanometer. This total arrangement is called voltmeter. Next, Nana, look here, all of you. Here, Nana, current passing through the galvanometer is IC. Voltmeter to measure the voltage. Ohm's law, V equal to IR. Here current is IC. Both are connected in series. Series formula R1 plus R2. Simply Bangar Kondalu R plus G. Okay, Nana? This is the voltage formula. According to this situation, numerator other side, denominator, V by IZ equal to R plus G. According to this situation, what is the value of R? R means high resistance in series to the galvanometer. R formula is V by IZ minus G. V by IZ minus G. This is the high resistance. High resistance. Okay, Nana? Here high resistance capital R is, look here, Nana, V into capital G whole by IZ into capital G minus capital G. Look here, GG what? Cancel. Kani rasanu. Enduku rasanu ippudu ardhamaindi chudandi. R equal to, look here, V into capital G whole by, we know the Ohm's law. V equal to IR. Simply that is called voltage on galvanometer minus G. Once again I repeat, V equal to IR. Current on galvanometer, current on resistance on galvanometer. IR, voltage on galvanometer. Here right side common term is G into V by Vc minus 1. Here right side, look here, Nana, R equal to G into V by Vc, write as N minus 1. Okay, once again I repeat, here V by Vc write as N. V by Vc write as N. Look here. Here high resistance connected, voltage increases n times. In meaning చూడండి, మళ్ళా చూడండి, NV equal to NVC కదా. ఫస్ట్ VC ఉంది, తర్వాత హై రెసిస్టెన్స్ కలిపితే ఎన్ని టైమ్స్ పెరిగింది? n times. Simply here high resistance connected, voltage increases n times. Voltage increases n times. That means here N is called range of the voltmeter. Once again I repeat, initial voltage on galvanometer Vc. A high resistance connected, how many times increases? N times. Here N is called range of voltmeter. N is called range of voltmeter. Range of voltmeter. I repeat same Nana. Hold. Effective resistance in the voltmeter. Effective resistance in the ammeter in the previous video I discussed. Effective resistance means all resistors are in series R1 plus R2. One is high resistance capital R, another is galvanometer resistance G. This is the effective resistance in the voltmeter. For example, I take ideal voltmeter. Its resistance is, this is series, so that's why R is maximum, and also connected very high resistance. That's why ideal voltmeter effective resistance is infinity. Ideal ammeter effective resistance is 0. Okay Nana? Look here. Next Nana, look here. Here Nana, this is the external circuit Nana. Battery. This is the resistor. In the situation here, voltmeter is connected to the parallel to the external circuit. Because voltmeter have high resistance, that's why no current draws to the voltmeter. In this situation, voltmeter, what is the use of voltmeter? To measure the voltage. This voltmeter always connected parallel to the external circuit. Voltmeter connected parallel to the external circuit Nana always, because voltmeter have infinity resistance, simply no current draws. Okay. Here why high resistance connected? Here voltmeter always connected parallel to the external circuit. ఇట్లా కలిపినప్పుడు ఎటువంటి కరెంటు డ్రా కాకుండా ఉండాలి అంటే voltmeter have high resistance. That's why a high resistance connected in series to the galvanometer, because voltmeter does not draw any current from the external circuit. ఈ తొక్కలో గోలంతా నాకు వద్దు. voltmeter డ్రా చేయకుండా ఉండాలి అంటే voltmeter have high resistance ఆ లో రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఆ? హై రెసిస్టెన్స్. అసలు ఇంతకీ రెసిస్టెన్స్ అంటే ఐడియా ఉందా కొండలు? రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ ద అపోజిషన్. హై రెసిస్టెన్స్, హై అపోజిషన్. సో హియర్ voltmeter no draws the current. వోల్ట్మీటర్ని ఎప్పుడు ఎక్స్టర్నల్ సర్క్యూట్కి ఎలా కలపాలి? ప్యారలల్. అమ్మీటర్ని సిరీస్. బికాజ్ అమ్మీటర్, ఐడియల్ అమ్మీటర్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ 0, ఐడియల్ వోల్ట్మీటర్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ. కంప్లీటెడ్ 2 long answers.